All right, so we're here on a floor cleaning here. This is a glue down. You can see customer knows it needs to be replaced, but we're still going to clean it for him instead. As you can see here at the floor, I cleaned this area over here. I just wanted to show you the color difference right here. So that's the area I didn't clean. This is the area I did clean. We are using the Linden Hall, so we're taking the pH levels up to about 12. And what that does is that turns it into an acid. And then the dirt gets emulsified, which means it gets turned into a liquid, and then we suck it up with this big machine here, and it also scrubs and rubs everything out of the floors. I want to do a pass here in the middle just so I can show you some of the scrubbing power, and also the vacuum power. That noise right there is that you hear is the glide of the vacuum sucking everything back up. And just look at that pass right there. I'm just going to do it just with just the liquid, no vacuum at all. Get it saturated really good. Putting down a solution, really rubbing it in. It's just one pass. And I'm going to turn it vacuum on to suck it all out. And check that out. Just look at the difference there. Hello, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professional. So we're finished with the floor cleaning. Like you did see, you seen the video before, we got some nice, side cleanings to show how the floor was before and after we got done. I just wanted to show you the dirty water here. Here it is on the side. Over here is the clean side. As you can see, it's clear. That's the intensive floor cleaner that we use. And there's the dirty side. You can see there's some chunks in there. We do sweep and dust before this, but of course we can't get everything. So yep, we just got it deep cleaned and it's sanitized and the customer's happy. So we're going to go on our way to the next job.